Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I am doing something a little bit different today. I am going to be doing a Christian Louboutin Socate collection video, and I'm going to be unboxing my latest pair that was very generously sent to me by one of my subscribers. So I am going to go ahead and unbox these and show them to you and give my usual little spiel about these particular shoes, and then I'll go ahead and I'll show you my shoes before you right now. Well, I mean actually put them on, but I'm pretty sure you get what I'm saying. So on one of my previous videos from not too long ago, I can't tell you exactly when, I said that I wanted to get a pair of Socates in a white and in a bright red. And one of my subscribers paid attention to that and got me a pair in the bright red. So I am very happy they arrived in the mail today. I just could not wait to show you guys because it's so exciting having Louboutin sent to you in general, especially a Socate, which is probably my favorite style. I think out of my whole designer shoe collection, the most of one particular style I have are Socates. Yeah, that is true. Now that I'm thinking about it, that is absolutely a fact. And here are my latest pair. These are actually my 6th pair of Socates, but my first pair that I ever got was a black patent, but they're a whole size too big, which that's not good. So I have to go ahead and consign those, and they won't be featured in this video today, but don't feel like you're missing out because they're just a bigger version of these. That's all. But these, I know for a fact do fit because I know my size in a Socate now. It took a little bit of trial and error, but I got there. If you are interested in sizing, I have a whole video about that, so I'll leave the link above. But for now, let's get into these. Don't these just look absolutely wonderful? These are not even currently available on Louboutin. Right now on Louboutin, it's the white. Whether or not I'll be able to acquire that soon, we'll see. But for now, I'm going to be grateful that I managed to get the red that I wanted. And these just look delicious. I love that the whole shoe is cohesive, just front to back, all red. I know that Louboutin is always going to have the red bottom, but there's just something so sleek about the whole shoe being one color that I find to be really attractive. And these are probably going to look even better on my feet. Well, not probably, they will. They absolutely will. But we'll get into the trying in a second. If you know me, I'm a little bit of a completionist, and I like to show both shoes because I think both of them are worthy to be shown before I actually go ahead and try them on. So I'll go ahead and set that one down and show you the other one. Take the paper out. Don't mind that. But we're just going to go ahead and look at the shoe and pretend that didn't happen. So here is the other shoe, just the same bright cherry red, definitely a statement-making shoe. I mean, a Louboutin is always going to be a statement-making shoe no matter what, but in this red, just something about it, like if you wear it with anything, it will stand out like a sore thumb. If you want your feet to stand out, get a Louboutin in this bright red and everyone will be looking at you. And I'm definitely the type of person where I like everyone looking at my footwear. Go ahead and look at what I previously have. You'll figure that out quite quickly. So I am very, very grateful to have acquired these because it is very hard to find Louboutins in a primary color that are not on sale. Probably half of these are not on sale. So these I was not going to find on sale. That wasn't going to happen. But for those who might be interested in Louboutins on sale, I have noticed at Neiman Marcus Last Call that the black patent has been popping up a lot lately. I don't know why that is, but they are there. So if you are watching this video looking for information about that, then if you're interested in black patent Socates, go check out your Neiman Marcus last call if you have one near you. But other than that, I will go ahead and try these shoes on. Thank you so much to the subscriber that very generously sent those to me. I will be forever grateful, and I will wear them to death more than likely. So I am super grateful for you who sent those to me, and I will definitely be sending you a thank you. And other than that, I will throw these on and I will get into more so about these. So see you in a bit. What better to start out a collection with than the black patent Sokate? People usually start out with these or the flesh tone, but I wanted to go with the black patent because I love the statement that it makes with the red sole, especially so much of it visible being on a very high heel. So these I will wear until the absolute end of time. They go with everything. If you can handle a 120, I would definitely recommend these. Now these are a testament to being able to find Louboutins on sale so long as you put in a little bit of time and effort. So Louboutin has sales at the end of their seasons, so roughly around in June and December. So if you have a boutique near you, you can actually go to the boutique around those times of year and find several different styles and colors or just different things that Louboutin puts out for that particular season on sale for 40% off. And that's how I acquired these, and I do not regret it one bit. Now these are another example of something I got on sale, but these I actually found out about through signing up for the emails from my closest boutique. So my boutique emailed me, and they emailed me specifically what was going on sale. So I knew for sure that they were going to have these Sokates, which are called Rotzia. I knew that they would have these at my boutique on Rodeo, and I knew they would be 40% off. So I was there on a mission to acquire these, and I walked out with a pair of Sokates for 40% off. So I was a very happy girl that day. Now these are the Psychic Red Lubies. When these came out last year, they sold like hotcakes. I loved them, but I just wasn't able to get them until they came out again this year. And I'm so happy that I managed to get them because they sort of remind me of the anti-Cinderella shoe, so to speak. Louboutins are often talked about as a Cinderella shoe, but these give me sort of the villain's shoe if she has some really wicked footwear. These give me poison apple vibes, but they just look absolutely delicious on the foot, and I will definitely get some use out of these. Speaking of looking delicious, these look like a candy apple red to me, but they're actually called the Luby Red because they match the sole perfectly. So they give this sort of very cohesive, sleek look, it all being one color, which I just love. And these are definitely going to get a lot of use, probably about as much as my black ones, since these make such a statement. They will definitely catch eyes all throughout, not just on the sole, and they will definitely bring a pop if that's what you want in an outfit. But that will do it for now. I will hopefully see you guys in the next pair of shoes.